Hello everyone. Hello Futurarian. What's up? Hope you're doing well and you guys also. So today's Monday and I woke up in the morning and I went to it was cooking breakfast, everything da 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 and like just cleaning my house, packing a little here and there and then I went to the police station and I also took a mm, part in this thingy where I had to like fill up this MCQ forms and all these things. So like I needed, I did that after I did my job in police station, whatever I had to do. So what I was planning to do is like to go and ask them for an update of when will I get my card. So like apparently they'll tell me when I'll get my card. So yeah, when I get my card, I'll just get it. Yeah. They'll tell me I need to write a mail or something. I'll do it today only. So I'll do that and I go to sleep. Exercises I did today, not a lot but a little, and meditation I didn't do meditation also. So fuck, I'm like my discipline is not going away. I'm like becoming indisciplined again. So I need to fix that part. My behavior is fine because like I'm not talking to people only that much. Like who really like with whom I mess up. It's my mistake most of the times. But like I'm not talking because if I talk something happens and I also got to know about this quote like it goes like the fish who keeps its mouth open gets caught. So like it's better if I keep my mouth shut and like talk when needed. That is so much better and like um, so much good. I think I really find that like very much better than like talking all the time, and like if you talk you mess up. It's better like to talk less and listen more. Yeah. And yeah, and I need to make myself strong, to be honest. I have become a very weak human being than I was, plus a emotional human being. But I think somehow it's good. Like I feel things now, I care about people. But previously it was not like this. It was like I don't care what anything happens to anyone, I will get my things done. I was like that, but and now I care about people. It matters to me what happens to them. So yeah, I think one of them was better. I don't know what one is good. Like this one is being a nice person. It's good. It's good for some reason, but like it's not good all the time because when you're a nice person, like you get walked all over you. So I really like being the bad guy because you're not answerable to anyone. You're just a bad guy. You cannot disappoint anyone. You're just yourself. So yeah, that is that for the day. And also one more thing, my friend came over. Um, we had fun here. We were like eating and like chit chats, movies. That's all we were doing. Then that person went back home. Yeah, that is that. It was fun, to be honest. It was fun hanging out with my friend. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm here for just 3, 4 more days. Wow, the short little trip is about to end. It's very emotional to me. It's very difficult for me to leave one place and go to another. Like even when I go from Kolkata to Hyderabad or Hyderabad to Kolkata, I get this weird feeling in my stomach. I don't know what it is called. Let's call it um joggy feeling. Yeah. Or cause I never found a word for it. So let's make one. What should we call it? It's called joggy feeling. Okay, feeling joggy. Um, nah, joggy is not good. Yeah, I'll just think of it and I'll tell you next time. Yeah, see you. See you guys. Bye, Aryan. Work hard. All the best. Bye bye, guys. See you.